In this tutorial, we want to draw the Sports Center logo in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So the first thing you need to do is to go for your create circle and ellipse tool. We click it and go to Shift Control and then draw a circle. Now we would need a circle that has a bigger stroke. So what you do is that if you don't have this dialog box open, go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and then this pops up, and then the fill, leave it as it is. The stroke, make sure that you have color, flat color, and then the stroke style, give it 3 millimeters, or make sure that the width is very thick, more or less. Now select what we've drawn and then go to Path, Object to Path. Now go to Path again, Stroke to Path, because I want to have 2 groups, this and this, and then I'm going to now we are going to separate them by going to there. Now a group of 2 objects. Now let's go here, Objects, and then we ungroup them. Now click away so that you can pick this one here. Now select this and duplicate it. You can right click it and duplicate, or if you don't have a mouse, you can go to Edit and then Duplicate. Now I pick my duplicates and put it somewhere here, and then with this selected, I go to Shift and select this, and then I do Path Difference. Now in the same way, I will take a duplicate of this again. Make sure you select this and then do Duplicate, and then bring it somewhere here as well, something which looks a bit symmetric to what you did before. So this selected, select what's this one here, and then go to Path Difference. Now we have this, we can now color it. This, I would say, first of all, before we color it, since it's one path, we want to split this, so we have 3 different objects, more or less, or 3 different parts. So what you have to do is go to Path, Break Apart. Now we have 3 objects in there. Now we can select this. I gave this color here, and then this is the same way. I gave it this color here, and this, I think I used this color here. So select this color, or if you want it, go, I think this, for this logo, it's this, yes, this color. Okay, now the next thing we will do is that we need to go for our text tool, and then we write Youth Sports Center. So we come here, more or less here. I'm using the font type sans serif, and then the font size should have been here, I think. Why is it not showing? Anyway, let's use 20. Okay, so we use the font size 20. I think 20 is better. So we write Youth Sports Center. Now we give this color here, more or less. This, I think I went a bit darker, this one here. Okay, and then with this select our text, and then go to Shift and select this, the ring, and then go to Text, and then what we need is put on path. So it puts it on the path, but I want it to be lying on it in the correct way. So all you have to do is that you need to flip it horizontally. Now we also need to rotate it so that it's the correct place. So to avoid any distortion, press again though to get this one, and then go to Shift and then rotate it, more or less. Rotate until you get it in a line situation. If also, I would sometimes, if to avoid it moving like this, the thing you can do is that you can just do shift control. That is actually better when you are rotating, so that it stays put, you understand. Let's see here. I think something like this is okay. You see, I could lift this up. That is the strange part of it. But let's see whether if I delete it, this will be distorted. So I go to right click and delete. You see, if you delete, it will go back again. So you don't have to delete it. The next thing you have to do is that with with this selector, you have to go to path, object to path. Then this is independent of this. Now if you come here and you delete this, this stays rotated. Then you bring it here and place it more or less somewhere here. You can in this place also rotate a bit. Go to shift control, then rotate a bit until you have it a bit on the correct side. You know what I mean. So I think this is nicely rotated now. So you place it somewhere there, and then that's it. So this is how you can create this logo, Youth Sports Center logo, in Inkscape. Please help me by subscribing to my channel, and please come again. Thank you. Bye.